Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 28th, and on January the 3rd, we planted our rosemary seeds, and they are starting to germinate for us. We have one up as of right now. So I took it out of the enclosed container and I put it under a light, and I'm holding the light up right now so I can do the video. The light is a fluorescent light. I use day length or sunshine bulbs, and the light is on for 14 hours a day and it shuts itself off. Now, rosemary does not like to be overly wet, so we're going to let this dry a little bit in between waterings because we don't want to overwater our rosemary seedlings or rosemary plants in general. And when this starts getting its true leaves, we will start feeding it with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I use a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water. The Miracle-Gro is just what works for me. It helps develop a nice, strong, healthy root system. You may use whatever plant food you choose to use. That's up to you. I just tell you what works for me. And one thing I want to add, rosemary is a very slow growing plant. It's slow to germinate and it is slow growing just in general. So it's going to take this one a little while for it to even get its true leaves. So I just wanted to add that. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. And please don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Bye.